Last week we have seen the price of Bitcoin and overall all the cryptos dumping towards the downside. Mass liquidation happened. Approximately $1 billion was liquidated last time. Well, now the market is again pumping. It is a very crazy market, to be honest, but what I am expecting this week, I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. So I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and over here, as you can clearly see, we have seen a huge dump. I won't call this a huge dump, but I would call it a normal dump only from 113k to $108,000 level. To be quite honest, the market is still sideways only, and this is not even a dump, I would say, but I can say that this is a very flash reaction of the market, because the market did fell towards the downside very rapidly, causing mass liquidations, and that's what we have seen over here as well. You can clearly see from 113 to $108,000, and still the market right now is again recovering. Most probably this was just a liquidation hunting only, just to remove every player from the market who is in long position, high leverage long position over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now nothing much in Bitcoin, because if you clearly see, the price managed to dump and now it is pumping again. So this was just a normal circus move only, nothing much happened. Just the 99% of the retailers got trapped over here. Rest nothing, as of now nothing much. To be honest, I'm still expecting the price of Bitcoin to dump towards the downside, because still the price of Bitcoin is in a sideways market only. I'm expecting the price of BTC to drop below $106 level approximately. If it goes below this level, then for sure I can say that a major downtrend has started. But over here the market can go anywhere. I mean, it's in middle of nowhere. I have said this multiple of times in my last videos, that right now the market is not near its support, which is over here, and not near its resistance, which is over here and here. So right now let's just wait what the price of Bitcoin has to offer. But I am expecting a dump this week and the coming next weeks as well, but let's see what happens. The price can go anywhere, and personally I'm not taking any trade right now, because the price is not near my levels. If it comes near my level, then only I'll take a trade. I'm on the Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and exactly the same thing happened with Ethereum also. So I told you all that this is a very important order block of resistance from 4600 to 4800. The price of Ethereum did manage to dump all the way down till this level, exactly as you can clearly see. I have not changed this level at all. The price of Ethereum did manage to make this level as a support, and now pumping again towards the upside from $3,830 approx to 4k level. And right now, well, I told you all that this dump has to happen. I did entered in a short position as well last time, because I was expecting this dump, but this short position ended up in break even and small profits only, because I was trailing my stop loss. But as you already know, again the price managed to come over here. It's acted rapidly over here, and the price managed to fall till $3,800 level. Let's see what happens. Most probably this is just an impulse wave. Right now it is in correction phase, and we can see a continuation towards the downside, but again it all depends on Bitcoin only, how bad it gets manipulated or not. Alright, talking about Solana, in the end I'm on the Solana's daily time frame chart, and exactly the same thing happened with Solana. When the price was somewhat over here, I told you all that this is just a trap, and the price of Solana has to dump towards the downside. And as a result, you can clearly see it was a fake out, and the price of Solana managed to dump again towards the downside, because this is a very important level of resistance, and price of Solana can't break it easily. There has to be a lot of bears waiting at this level of resistance from 219.7 to 224.5. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The price of Solana did manage to dump towards the downside heavily, I would say, over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you already seen the analysis, the whole video. What I'm trying to say, the price of Bitcoin did manage to crash towards the downside. A little bit dump, I would say. It caused a mass liquidation, but again it is now pumping towards the upside. let's see what this week has to offer. But personally, I believe that the price of Bitcoin has to fall towards the downside, and if BTC falls, then Ethereum, Solana, every other crypto will fall as well. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Right now I'm not taking any trade in crypto. I'm just waiting right now because the market is very uncertain, very manipulative. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to trade or buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana, you can do that on Bybit. Link of Bybit is in the description below. It's a centralized exchange. You can create an account for free, or else no pressure promotion. You can create an account on any exchange you want. Just don't fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.